block analysis, it was 4 parameters. Now, in any clinic I go, they are making me 45. And it is, I'm sure that in 10 years it will be 7. So that's good. But what I'm telling, never you will have such a full picture. Never able to put this answer everything. My first job on the project job started when I was working in injection of the gas, of the gasoline, the car motor. And they told me, guy, you need the relation between gas and air will be 14.7. What does it mean? This means that this is much that you are weighing gasoline and oil. That's injection. Okay? You need to inject the quality of oxygen to have optimal burn. So, how are you able to measure? They don't know. We cannot put the sensor inside of the cylinder. Is it clear? So, what you are doing, we can put it inside of the motor, but it could follow tubes, should follow some resin tubes around 50 centimeters. Now imagine how much evaluation your motor has. 3,000 normally, no. So what happens? Where the gases will reach the sensor, who knows? And so when they are telling it was something like 76, 78. And maybe in the time your parents will work. So, and the point is that they told me, you know, we cannot give you more than $20 for sensor. Because if it is not, if it is more, it should be luxury car. And we are not producing luxury. So that is why please make us the control system which can regulate oxygen. Thank you guys. So when joking about that, it is not a joke. So what's the problem? The problem is that I cannot have sensors, but I need to know the states. If I need to know the states, I need to do something. So what I will do, I'm living in the sensor 21, so I need to do virtual sensor. And what is virtual sensor? Is an observer. Okay? So I need to have some. I am able to measure something, and then I should be able to reconstruct the system. Okay. What was the first step? The first step was clear. You see? I have serious model. But I'm not able to see all of the states. Okay? So what I will do? How I can, for example, a mechanical system. Some of you are driving the car, and maybe you are doing like a Formula 1 drivers. But the point is that are you measured? You think that you are able to make velocity? How you know velocity? How do you know velocity? from some observer. You know velocity from some observer because what happens? If you are unable to measure the velocity, you are just unable to have to measure the distance because on the wheel there are 29 sensors normally in standard car. 29 sensors, optical sensors, and they are able to do what? To count how many rotations you will. So you are measuring position. What happens? You know how much rotations do you have in the car, in the wheel, okay? How you will obtain the velocity? To find derivative. So, thank you. So what happens? This is the number of the states x is n. The number of inputs is p. The number of controls is m. So, what I will do, because I have just p state, which could be much less than number of states in the system. I observe, I'm measuring just p state, but not m state. So what I will do, let's consider the simplest case when the p equal to 1. So what I will do, that's what you do. What I will do, I will put first derivative, and what I will have, c x dot. So means what? C a x. Is it clear? So then you can change it. So forgot about that because we can rest it, because we know this. So next. Because I need to do second time, so let's do it like it should have done. What? Yes. And so differentiating n minus 1 time, what I will have. Is it clear? So now I can have a matrix called observability matrix, and I should ask the work that it will be observed. Then what I will have, I am able to reconstruct from the derivative the states. What do I need? I need to invert the matrix. Okay? How you have visited my lecture yesterday? Never. My congratulations to myself. I don't know. And do I after each one? So let's say, imagine that I know how to differentiate. So what happens? I will be able to subtract. Okay. Now what happens? what happens is that are you sure that you know the model record? Even I have perfect analysis of blood, I don't know where I will die. So that is why, what do I need? I need to understand that in reality, the light is not simple. In reality, I have two things. Oh. My needle is not complete. I have something which is here, which I don't know. Moreover, I can have a noise. So, is your sensors are noisy and the model is not. So, what is it? It is proved that it is impossible to have precise estimation. And if the model is not complete, you will lose completely the situation. And moreover, if you have a noise, your precision is down. Okay? So that is why we have two options. One of them is noise, the other one is a knowledge of the model. So you have too much. So what have been done? It is not me.
So, can you set you cannot protect, you don't have it. I want to change the screen. Save your file on my flash.
Okay, good. So
Close this one. Copy the thing you want to
Yes,
present
yes.
on the flash.
yes.
But
They
on the flash,
really-
not on the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Save as.
Mhm. And here.
Let's see. Go to my USB. Which you want the computer. Yeah, yes. Not
No.
just go up. Yeah, just put anywhere. Okay, oops, cool. Okay, good. Okay. This is also
No.
oh, that one. I cannot work. Okay. This is what?